What's good guys, I'm Fireface Beats back again with another video. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the exact process how I make melodies for Lil Baby and 4PF. It will include all the sound selection and the processing, then the drums and the patterns. So without wasting any more time, let's get it. So I started off with this preset from Keyscape. This is LA Custom C7. I will solo the pattern and show you how it sounds. This is the pattern, very simple stuff, very basic, just in the style of Lil Baby. Very basic stuff, very simple, but it has the groove that Lil Baby vibes on. Then, this is another patch that I use. This is also from Omnisphere. This is this patch, Juno Broken Dark Places. This is the patch that I used. I will play this along with the piano melody. Very basic stuff, just adds ambience to the sound. Then I added this. This is a sound from Expand. This is Timpani Spiccato ARP. This is the patch, and this is the sound. This is how it sounds together with the other parts. Then I added this sound. This is from Expand as well. This is the sound, and this is Jupi Lee. This is the patch, and this is the patch. This is also from Expand, and this sounds like this with the other parts. Kind of like an alien sound. You can also find presets from Purity. This has very similar sound to that. Then last part of the melody, I also added this preset from Analog Lab. Here it is. This is the pattern, and this is the patch. This is basic flute patch. And how this sounds. Just follows the main piano melody. Very simple stuff. Now for the drums, I started off with this 808 pattern. This is the pattern, and this is how it sounds with the melody. Then I added these hi-hats. This is the hi-hat pattern, and this is how it sounds. Then claps and snares. Bounce snares. Open hats. Another open hat. This is how it sounds with the whole beat. And on the master channel, I have this Fruity Soft Clipper and this glue compressor. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more videos. Till then, peace.